Drummery here, my dystopian obsession started young and spiraled fast. If Wicked were real, I'd probably accidentally volunteer. And the maze, constantly shifting walls, creepy mechanical creatures called grievers, and the fact that no one ever made it out alive, just classic drama. And the grievers in the book, they're terrifying blobs. The movie, mechanical slugs and that needles and a spider legs. Ugh, I never want to sleep again. Book Thomas is hesitant, insecure, and grows into bravery. Movie Thomas is more an instant hero. Still cool but less layered. Rebellion. At some point, following the rules isn't survival, it's surrender. Thomas as say, quote unquote, we break the system. Teresa's common entrance. So dramatic, so effective. Minho deserves more scenes, man. Period. Book 9, Movie 8. Lost a little nuance, gain intensity. Bye!